How to cancel pending payments on Payoneer. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can cancel pending payments on Payoneer. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Payoneer's account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the right side of the home page, you will see your profile icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. Ensure you select supporting center. Once you select support center, sorry, you go to the support centers page. Now on this page, next thing for you to do is to type out your issue in this search bar, which is cancel pending payment. Okay, just type it that way, pending payment, and then click on search. All right, now once you click on it, you'll see some articles here. Current payment, how is my payment declined? I want to cancel a payment I sent, so just click on it like that. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to another page showing you what to do. Now you can see if you would like to cancel a payment that you have made to a payment user, I recommend that you contact the customer support directly to resolve the issue. So to do this, scroll down and click on contact us here. Once you click on contact us, you'll be directed to another page where you can send a message directly to the customer support. So in this box, type out your issue, which is that you want to cancel a payment, and then ensure you attach every necessary file showing you the payment ID, everything necessary. Attach it, and then click on this checkbox showing that you're not a robot, and then submit your message. So this is how you can cancel pending payment. And then you must note that for your payments to be cancelled easily and fast on Payoneer, you have to ensure that the payment has not been delivered. That is, it is still showing pending on your account. This is the fastest way. Once it's still showing pending, there's still a very high tendency that the payment will be cancelled. But if not, it might take a while before the payment will be cancelled. But whichever way, ensure you follow the processes shown in this video, and everything will be sorted out. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.